How do you unlock the meaning of complex texts? In this video, we'll explore the essential reference materials and resources that can guide you through the maze of words and phrases. From glossaries to visual aids, discover how these tools can enhance your understanding. Reference materials are your gateway to understanding complex information. They include glossaries, keys, visual aids, footnotes, and endnotes. Each serves a unique purpose in helping you navigate and comprehend different text types. A glossary is a list of terms with definitions, often found in texts with technical vocabulary. It helps break down complex terms into understandable language. For example, technical terms in woodworking can be clarified using a glossary. Keys are tables that explain symbols used in maps and diagrams. Legends often accompany keys, providing instructions on using them effectively. For instance, understanding highway symbols on a map requires a key. Visual aids, like pictures, charts, and diagrams, complement written content. They provide a visual representation of information, making complex ideas easier to grasp. A cycling route map can illustrate a journey's path alongside a narrative. Footnotes appear at the bottom of a page, providing additional information or references. They can include direct quotes or summaries, offering deeper insights into the text. For example, a pronunciation guide might be detailed in a footnote. 02, 03, 04, 05. Endnotes function like footnotes, but are placed at the end of a document. They are ideal for lengthy texts, providing comprehensive details without cluttering the main content. Authors use endnotes for extensive references in books. Sources are categorized into primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary sources are original works, like diaries or interviews. Secondary sources interpret primary ones, such as articles. Tertiary sources compile both, like textbooks. By mastering the use of reference materials, you can navigate complex texts with ease. From glossaries to visual aids, each tool enhances your ability to understand and interpret information. Embrace these resources to enrich your learning journey.